Benedicto, ang aming pong director. And Cez Valera, our projection designer. Roldan Lozano, our technical and lighting director. Si Jay Loconan, our production designer. We will open the floor for questions po, either from the press or from the other audiences. LJ Castrodeldo, thank you. Our playwright. Let's go. Yes, online. Asan sila? Sir Ricky, sige. We will open the floor na po if someone wants to ask. Sige po, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for this show. Like, I have not seen anything like it. I'm just curious because I've never heard of 13th of September, the story of Marriage Movement. If this is based on a play, previous play or what. My question is, I guess the most obvious is why the decision to use male performers for female roles? Thank you.
Hello po, magandang umaga. Ay, magandang hapon. Una po sa lahat, maraming po salamat sa pagpunta ngayong araw na ito. Thank you po. So, going back, nung I read the play around 2017 pa. And then, I read it, I'm waiting for a character na mag-play. Parang pagkabasa ko sa kanya, kasi yung Lanny Robertson's Inside of Mary Gerard, ginagamit siya academically for high school student sa abroad. So, the way it was written, it's really easy to understand. Yung gano'n, very linear. And then, nung una ko siyang nabasa, gusto ko talaga agad, drag. Drag challenges your restrictive definition of gender, of your perception, of your thoughts, and yung germ na sa line na nag-capture sa akin was yung every Sunday of the week, the people pumupunta sa asylum to witness the patients para magdura, mag-convulsion. Sa kanila, it's entertainment. So, yung layer na yun, plus yung layer ng yung lalaki, ang babae ay, yung babae dapat dito lang, ang lalaki dapat ang masusunod, yung mga ganong sistema during that time, plus the other layer of yung hindi pa nila naiintindihan yung concept ng, or the word insanity. In-endure yun ng character ni Mary Gerard for 25 years. So, the drag put on a persona. So, nag-create, to me, my reading is what if binabalikan lahat ng character ni Mary Gerard, ang lahat ng nangyari sa kanya to stay sane. And to do it, you have to put a persona that is so strong na mag-e-endure ng 25 years. So, kaya po doon napunta yung interpretation or ng adaptation namin ng Mary Gerard. So, syempre po, tawag po ako agad kay LJ. LJ, let's do the drama yun. And the rest is history. So, ganun po yung nangyari. May add ka. Ayun po.